This is Carrie, and you've landed on Carrie's Crochet Corner. I'm here to show you the cluster stitch. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to like and subscribe so you can get caught up on all of my new videos. So let's get started on learning how to do this cluster stitch. I'm going to be using this I Love This Cotton in a size G hook in US terms today. The starting chain is an even number, so it doesn't matter. I'm going to do 20 for this tutorial. I'm going to single crochet in the second chain from the hook, and then in the next chain. Now this is where the clusters are going to go, so I'm going to chain one, skip a stitch, and go into the next chain. And then chain. I'm going to keep doing that to the end until I have 2 left. When you have 3 chains left, you're going to skip that first chain and then single crochet in the last 2 chains. This is if you need a base for your clusters. If you have a pattern and you just need to know the clusters, I'll be getting to that in just a moment. Now I'm going to chain 4. 2, 3, 4. Now I'm going to go into the first chain stitch, which is right here, and I'm going to yarn over, go into that chain gap, and then bring up the yarn so that it's at the height of a double crochet. Now yarn over, go into the first 2 loops. We're going to do that again 2 more times. Yarn over, go into that chain 1 stitch, bring it up to the height of a double crochet, yarn over, go through 2. Do that 1 more time. Yarn over, go through 2. Now you have 4. Yarn over, go through all 4, and then chain. We'll do that again. Now I'm going to go to the next chain right here, gap. Yarn over, pull up the loop, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, do that again. I have 3. I'm going to do that until I get 4 loops on the hook. Now I have 4, yarn over, go through all 4, and then chain. So I'm going to continue that all the way down. So I'm going to finish off this row. I will meet you in a moment and show you how to do the next row. All right, I've completed my row. I'm on my last space here. The last single crochet, you actually have 2 of them here from the previous row. I'm going to double crochet at the end, yarn over, go into that single crochet, pull up a loop, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through the last 2. Now this is a 2-row repeat if you were to do this pattern. So I'm going to, after you chain 1, I'm going to go into that single crochet there, and chain 1. Now go to the next gap, Right here, you can see that. I'm going to single crochet here and then chain one. I'm going to keep doing that all the way to the end. This will set up your cluster row. So this might be good for like a scarf, maybe a shawl. I mean, you could do a blanket, I guess, with this too. But this would be a 2-row repeat. All right, almost at the end here. Now we're gonna slip stitch, or single crochet at the 3rd chain in that 4 chain, the turning chain that we had before. So go into that stitch, pull up a loop, single crochet there, and now we're on the cluster stitch. So we're gonna always chain 4 at the end. 3, 4 counts as a double crochet, and now I'm going to do my cluster here, my cluster here, my cluster everywhere. I see a cluster there should be a chain gap, and I'm going to do that there. So you would keep repeating that over and over again, and you can see from my sample what it looks like. This is a variegated yarn here, looks great, and this is just some kind of felty yarn. So it gives you some nice pattern. The stitches are close together. So that's the cluster stitch. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.